So, waiting for the toss, Deep. What's going on?
I was just following it. It's been drizzling, I believe,
Yeah.
in Southampton, and we mentioned that yesterday that day 1 and day 3, looking at the forecast, looks a little dodgy. थोड़ी सी बारिश है आज और day 3. So it seems like a stop and start kind of a day. So last time I checked, the pitch was under covers, and I saw a picture of the pitch. समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कौन सा pitch है कौन सा ground. There were like 3 strips which were open, so it seemed like a couple of them for practice, but I still don't know the match strip as yet. The toss has been delayed, as we can see here. I'm following it, and the toss is delayed because again it's drizzling, so it is going to be one of those days.
Yeah, that is what is important here, that we need to be clear. I mean, if the toss is delayed, obviously this webinar we will not be able to give you the updated teams, because until and unless we get the updated teams post the toss, we will not be able to share with you. So my guess is, and here I will seek support from our back end, that agar toss delayed hota hai to we will have to come back. Jab bhi toss hota hai, how do we post our teams? This is an important call. I mean, from what we understand, if Mark Wood plays, as I have already told you, by the way, I've done my 3 teams. मैं Dream 11 में 3 team किया, एक for the mega contest, एक for the smaller league, and 1 for the head-to-head. So if you want to go and check on Dream 11 or Fan Code, if you go to the Fantasy Hub, if you go there, you will find all my teams there. I have given reasons, जो मैंने कल आप लोगों से कहा था, कैप्टेंसी पिक का reasons, बजट पिक का reasons, मैंने टॉप पिक का reasons, मैंने सारे reason भी दे दिया है as to why I have selected particular players. हम लोगों ने pitch condition के बारे में जिक्र किया है. I have given my prediction for scores also. So वो सब तो हमने दे दिया है. But the toss के पहले, unless the toss happens, final team देना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है.
Yeah, absolutely. क्योंकि the biggest question mark is England के कौन से fast bowlers खेलेंगे. West Indies, as far as I see, the playing 11 is quite evident and it's clear. लेकिन England का भी batting order is fine. It's just that out of the 4 fast bowlers, 3 will play. Broad, Archer, Wood and Anderson. ये तो तय हो गया कि Anderson खेलेंगे. तो बाकी 3 में से 2 खेल सकते हैं. A lot of people are saying Broad might not play, and this would be, I think he's played 51 consecutive test matches at home in England. So this would be like a break usme se. So chances are Broad might not play, and they'll go with Archer and Wood together. Lekin I think we'll have to wait and see, because that's the biggest question. Is what is the scene? The other thing I was looking for, Boria, is to have a look at the pitch ones as well. थोड़ा pitch का idea हो जाता तो, for example, I don't have Don Bess in my side. I do have Roston Chase, but एक बार pitch अगर पता लग जाता, then I would have actually, I was thinking about it, would have got Don Bess in for someone. But as of now, we are not aware, because the pitch is also under covers and the toss is delayed.
Harsha एक question मेरे से पूछा है, that where can he find my teams? So if you actually go to the Fantasy Hub, Harsha, I'm showing this to you. If you go to the expert pre-match analysis based on 9 experts on the Fan Code Fantasy Hub, आपको उसमें मेरा teams मिल जाएंगे. आप बोरिया मजुमदार में click कीजिए, top player picks, head to head सारे teams, ये देखिए 3 team, आपको तीनों teams मिल जाएंगे. So that's something that I can tell you, but I can give you the reasons. And one team you guys know, which I shared yesterday, I've made some minor changes. Deep, आप भी 3 contest खेल रहे हो कि आप एक ही खेल रहे हो?
मैं एक ही खेल रहा हूँ यार, and I don't have anything. What I had to say, I've said it here. I've said it here yesterday. I will repeat my team for anyone who wasn't there yesterday. But if you want to know about my team, you'll only get it here on the webinar.
Correct. Deep's team, so you will get here. Deep's team, you will get here. My team also, you will get here. Let me see. Unfortunately, the question that our team is asking here to both of us is, do we know a time yet? No, we don't. Unfortunately, don't for the toss. So it is very, very difficult at this point in time to give you an exact idea as to when the toss will happen in Southampton. Unfortunately, neither Deep nor I know, and it is the English weather. It is very, very difficult to say that, isn't it, Deep?
Yeah, it is. It is extremely difficult because, yeah, as we mentioned, it's we don't know. And knowing England, and both of us have enough experience of England. England weather के बारे में कुछ नहीं बोला जा सकता. कभी बारिश तो कभी धूप कभी छाँव. So that is how it is right now. But what we know as of now is the toss has been delayed because it's drizzling there. और आज का दिन, as we've mentioned yesterday webinar में, okay, it would be like that. I think what we're trying to show is, Boria, your team first. Go ahead. If anyone would missed out on the teams, our teams yesterday.
Yes.
This
This
is
is
it.
my team. So you can see Jason Holder, Jofra Archer. You can see Jamie Anderson, Dom Bess. Dom Bess will go out and Mark Wood will come in. Moment we get to know that Mark Wood खेल रहे हैं. Stuart Broad की जगह वो final 11 अगर हमारे पास आ जाए तो obviously वो change तो हम कर देंगे, but वो toss के लिए हमको रुकना पड़ेगा. And ये तो बहुत difficult है predict करना कि toss कितने बजे होगा. What we do know is it's a drizzle. You know, it is a drizzle. It is not something that there will be no play today or anything like that. And frankly, if you were listening to Brian Lara and Sachin Tendulkar, they were also giving some interesting insights. I was listening to the two of them converse on Sachin's app, 100 MB, and it was a very interesting conversation. Lara backing the West Indies, Sachin trying to give his reasoning. People are predicting that this match will not last 5 days. I also agree only because of the fact that both teams are rusty.
Oh yeah, and rusty. एक चीज ध्यान में बहुत रखना जरूरी है कि बैट्समैन के पास एक मौका है. So as a batsman, you've only got one chance, and a batsman being rusty is more of a problem than a bowler being rusty. Bowler क्या, चलो एक स्पेल आपने ठीक नहीं डाला, 3-4 ओवर का स्पेल, फिर वापस आ गया अगले स्पेल के लिए. So to get back into rhythm during a game, I think it's comparatively easier. So इसलिए I completely agree. I don't see actually all three of those of the test matches going the distance. चाहे weather हो ना हो. Same with this one, and I agree. I don't think it's going to go, even though मुझे लगता है कि पहला और तीसरा दिन जैसे हम बात कर रहे थे will be rain interrupted. Even then, you know, somebody was saying कि आज अगर 50-60 ओवर हो जाए, that would be more than enough. That's the kind of a forecast there is right now.
Okay, let me give you some scenarios that you can see. Deep's team, वो तो आपने already देख चुका है. Ben Stokes,
Right.
Up Deep, you want to go through it once more? Yeah.
Yeah, 1 second. It's like Shea Hope, Butler. I don't have any opener there apart from Rory Burns, who's had a good start to international career, test career. Zach Crawley, Oli Pope, Jason Holder, my vice captain, Roston Chase, क्योंकि वो बैटिंग भी टॉप ऑर्डर में करेंगे, 4 या 5, और ऑफ स्पिन भी डालते हैं, तो वो भी वो ऑप्शन भी है. बेन स्टोक्स में इज माय कैप्टन. केमा रोच, स्टुअर्ट ब्रॉड, मार्क वुड. नहीं, वहां पे बस एक चेंज हो सकता है, वो स्टुअर्ट ब्रॉड और मार्क वुड, डिपेंडिंग कौन से फास्ट बॉलर्स खेलेंगे नहीं खेलेंगे. जोफ्रा खेलेगा तो जोफ्रा कम्स इन, किसके जगह वो बस. That is the place where I'm a little worried, and I was waiting for the toss to make up my mind.
It's difficult. आप लोग भी समझ सकते हो, दीप एंड मी, आप लोगों को एक टाइम देना कि हम कब वापस आएंगे. सो वो तो हो नहीं सकता क्योंकि टॉस कब होगा, रेन कब रुकेगा, ये तो किसी के बस की बात है नहीं. सो let's give you guys our scenarios. Suppose on a rain interrupted day, England wins the toss and opts to bowl. Please get in all the 3 fast bowlers, because assuming the weather is heavy, West Indies batting fragile, get in all the 3 fast bowlers plus Ben Stokes, you are solid. Change captaincy also if you want there, because if England is bowling, if you want and you want to go aggressive, if you really want to go aggressive, get Jofra Archer into the mix as captain. Or if you think that okay, Mark Wood, Anderson, Jofra Archer, first couple of sessions, 50 overs today, rain interrupted day, that's scenario number 1. If West Indies wins the toss and bowls, again, Kemar Roach, Jason Holder, both of them should be in the mix. Maybe you can even get Shannon Gabriel. Drop Dom Bess there, drop him from my team and get a West Indian quick in. If West Indies is bowling, because England too comes in rusty, that top order is relatively inexperienced. वो scenario number 2 मैं आपको दे रहा हूँ. So option 1, West Indies winning the toss and bowling. Option 2, England winning the toss and bowling. So the changes I've done, my Mark Wood for Laya, Stuart Broad, whoever plays, I've dropped Dom Bess. If West Indies wins the toss and bowls, then you can think of including one more extra West Indian pick in place of Dom Bess. So the one place which is sort of flexible for me is the Dom Bess place. Deep, according
Yeah,
to you.
I'd take some questions यहाँ पे. If you can't see me, that's all right because I'm checking those questions यहाँ पे. एक आया है question about Blackwood. About Blackwood, well, see, it's a 50-50 thing. I'd rather go for Zach Crawley because he's what 24, 25. He's had a very good South Africa series जहाँ पे उन्होंने open किया था. As an opener, he's an opener, but he will play at number 4. तो अगर ball हिलता भी है, I think he's in a better position to score runs at number 4. So isliye I would go with someone like Zach Crawley rather than Blackwood. Again, he's a good batsman. He's got some runs, but I would prefer Zach Crawley over him. The other question was from Ashwin Subramaniam. He asked, do you think Dom Sibley will open for England? I think yes, Dom Sibley will open for England along with Rory Burns, Joe Denley at 3 and Zach Crawley at 4 is what I reckon will be the batting order and what I gather from whatever research I've done. So that was my thing. And so apart from the scenarios that you mentioned, I think predominantly that I don't think, I think you made a very valid point that if there is going to be a 50-60 over game or day one is like a stop-start kind of a scenario, then you would like to see, and obviously England wins the toss and bowls first, you would like to see more English bowlers as compared to West Indian. लेकिन फिर भी जो चीज हम कल भी बात कर रहे थे, don't forget it's a test match. Even though day one will be important, but let's not forget there are 4 more days. And very interestingly, if I have to go with the weather report that I've seen, day 1 and day 3. So it'll be interesting कि अगर West Indies day 1 में bat करती है and doesn't bat well, chances are it will again bat on day 3. Right? There's a good chance that they'll bat on day 3 again. So, think about these permutation combination, kya ho sakta hai, and especially weather plays a very, very important role in England. हम सबको याद होगा the Lord's Test, India-England Lord's Test, जब India bowling कर रही थी तब धूप था और जब India batting कर रही थी तब it was overcast, and how the pitch and the ball behaved depending on the weather. So in England, the weather is important, so do follow the weather as well.
Absolutely. I mean, final scenario आपको ये दे दूं, अगर West Indies toss हार गया, then go with a 7 for England. If England's bowling, England will bat second, as Deep has already said multiple times. Middle order will come into play. They will get the best of the batting conditions and thrash कर देंगे शायद. So these scenarios आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा. This is not the ideal scenario. I mean, मैं और दीप आप लोगों को टीम देना चाहता था, our final team. Unfortunately, rain has stopped that, so we don't know when we will come back. So we've given you scenario 1, we've given you scenario 2, we've given you scenario 3. Captaincy options 1, Ben Stokes. Deep has given 2, Jason Holder I've given. You want to go aggressive, go with Jofra Archer. If England's bowling, take a punt, go Jofra Archer for a head-to-head. If you're playing the head-to-head, so these are the options. Deep, on that note, final comments from you. We've got a few more minutes into this. Unfortunately, that is how we will have to leave our viewers at the moment, but we are trying to give you maximum possible options.
Right. Yes. I mean, listen. What I will try and do is answer as many questions as possible. Manoj Mishra has asked, who will come after first wicket of Windies? I think it's going to be Shea Hope. I think Brooks or Roston Chase will bat at 4 and 5. I think Shea Hope will bat at number 3, according to me. Boria, there is a question. Boria sir, something to do with your team. Okay. And I mean, bowlers will. We've discussed this yesterday as well. Bowlers will dominate both sides because both sides have got proper solid bowlers, both West Indies and England. So this is my take. And right. Any other question that you see? I think we've tried to answer as many questions as possible.
I've got one along with James Anderson, Stuart Broad. They have a lot of experience. with rain around. Unfortunately, I still think they might not go with Broad. Will rain impact that decision? Don't know. But chances are Mark Wood might just get the nod. That's what I'm hearing from English friends, but that's an open-ended one.
Yeah,
Number two, also Roach versus Gabriel. Roach any day. Kemar Roach. You cannot drop Kemar Roach in these conditions.
yeah. I think the West Indies bowling lineup is set. It's Kemar Roach, Shannon Gabriel, Jason Holder. That's that. I mean, I think Cornwall will get in there. That's one. The other important thing was interesting part about Mark Wood is the next 3 Test matches for England are at Manchester. And that's where they were talking about making Mark Wood play at least, because Mark Wood again is a very injury-prone bowler. He's a very fragile bowler physically. So they might want to play him at Manchester at least 2 out of those 3 Test matches. अगले 3 बोले तो 2 with against West Indies, 1 against Pakistan. So that's again interesting because they will be rotating their bowlers. England are going to play 6 Test matches in 6 weeks. So they will try and manage the workload and rotate the bowlers. So it is not about who's good, who's bad. There are many permutation combination in terms of what surfaces they are playing on, which bowler will be preferred on a certain kind of a surface. So उस हिसाब से कुछ decisions लेंगे and we are actually waiting for that to happen.
Correct. On that note, I think it is time for us to go. Can West Indies pull off a great win? Our poll. In this test, you can still not rule them out in the series. I have my serious doubts. I will still say England, but if West Indies ever had a chance, it is this test match. Isn't it, Deep?
Yes, because both the teams are rusty. But you know what? I'm gonna twist it and say if Manchester, generally Southampton pitches are flatter, slower. But if Manchester pitches have grass on it, that kind of balances the scale a bit. क्योंकि what I've been hearing.
That's what happened in the West Indies last year. England got rolled out.
Yes, so अगर घास छोड़ देते हैं मैनचेस्टर में और जो कि सुनने में आ रहा है because obviously you can't use saliva, so they will try and do something with the pitch, make it more helpful for the bowlers. That will make the series extremely interesting. Well, the answer to the poll is here. No, 63% of the people are saying no. You know what? I'm going to stick with can't say. I'm going to go with the 21% who's saying can't say, and yes, 15%. 15.8% of the people are saying West Indies can. And I think, Boria, you would be inclined towards that just a little bit?
As I said, I mean, if West Indies had a chance, it is this test match. England is not in it like they would have been in a home summer when they were coming off a May series or a June series and they've played enormous cricket. This is West Indies' best chance, okay? So, that's the last. Play your best. In Fantasy Fundas, we have given you what we genuinely believe is our best. Let's wrap this up on the note that we will come back again during the second test match and before every such match. So West Indies, Ireland, Pakistan, loads of cricket coming up. And then there is now CPL because that is also confirmed. So make Fantasy Fundas a habit on our platform. So thank you very much. Enjoy. Wish you all the luck and hope the rain stays away and we soon get cricket.
Absolutely. All the very best to all of you.